Planets and other heavenly bodies which are close to the Earth are our neighbors in space. The solar system. The Earth and the other 7 planets together with their moon and the sun make the solar system. The sun. The sun is the head of the solar system and is situated in its center. All planets revolve around the sun. It is a huge ball of fire and the main source of energy in the solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest planet and is also called the evening star. It is very hot. Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet which supports life. It is also known as the blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. The Earth is the only planet on which water exists in liquid form. Mars. It is the red planet. It is the fourth planet from the sun in the solar system. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet to the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn. It is the sixth planet to the sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the sun. Neptune. It is the eighth and the farthest planet from the sun in our solar system. Pluto is one of the dwarf planets which was considered as a planet. Earth and its moon. The Earth supports a variety of life, has water in liquid state, and has ideal temperature for living. It has one natural satellite, which we call the Moon. The Moon has mountains, valleys, old volcano sites, and many bowl-like holes called craters on its surface. It is not a luminous body, but it shines because it bounces back the light of the sun. Rotation and revolution of Earth. The Earth has an imaginary line running through its center called its axis. The axis of the Earth is slightly tilted. The two opposite points on the Earth's surface through which its axis passes are known as poles. The Earth's axis runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. The equator is another imaginary line around the Earth which is at equal distance from both the poles. It divides the Earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. There are two types of movements of the Earth, rotation and revolution. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth on its tilted axis causes day and night. The Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement is called revolution. The Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 1/4 days. The revolution of the Earth is responsible for the change in seasons. Stars. A star is a huge ball of gases which gives out heat and light energy. The groups of stars in the sky are called galaxies. A constellation is a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern in the sky. Some of the constellations are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and Orion.